Welcome to growing your own food in your own backyard. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It is time for me to harvest my lettuce, Black Seeded Simpson. And I want to talk to you a little bit about how I protect the lettuce from hailstorms and insects and squirrels and rabbits, and show you the cut and come again method for growing lettuce and regrowing it. So I'm going to start off by removing this insect barrier, which keeps my lettuce healthy. It keeps squirrels and rabbits and insects from feeding on it. And also it is late June and we're getting 80 to 90 degree temperatures, and this acts as a shelter over the lettuce, and it keeps the lettuce from bolting. So it just wraps around here like this around the pot, and then I can remove it just like this. So this is how it looks like. And you can see it acts as a shade cloth because it's gray, and it keeps the sun from bolting the lettuce, and it also acts as an insect barrier. So you can see that this lettuce is truly ready to be harvested. And I have a bowl of ice water, and the reason why I like to put my lettuce leaves in the ice water because it keeps it crisp. So what I want to do is I want to go all the way down here, and I don't want to cut right here. I want to cut right at the end of the leaves. You see where I just left this part here? That's where the regrowth is going to occur. So here's another one. If we can get down so I can show where there's the base of the lettuce. There's the base of the lettuce. I don't want to cut there. I want to cut above it like this, because the regrowth is going to start right at the base. So I'm going to do that throughout this harvesting. Just grab the lettuce right above the base, and I'm going to put it in the water so it can get really crisp. Here's another one here, and I'm just going to keep doing this until I have all of it harvested. Okay, so I've harvested most of the lettuce leaves. And you can see I left the base where it will regrow from the base. See, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and water this. It's in need of watering. So I'm going to go ahead and water it. Go ahead and water it. As you can see, I have a bowl full of lettuce, and I've got it in ice water so I can keep it crisp. Now, this particular lettuce is a cool season crop, Black Seeded Simpson. It is a cool season crop, but I can extend this growing season by keeping it on my patio where it's only getting morning sun till about 1 o'clock. And then the intense heat of the sun by that time has moved south, and now it's shaded. So therefore I would be able to keep growing this lettuce throughout the summer months. I am going to put my little frame back in here like this. And then again, this shelter is acting as an insect barrier. It wraps around like this. So it acts as an insect barrier, and I just kind of clamp it, just wrap it around the base of the pot and clamp it. And then I roll this down like this. And I continue doing that all the way to the end, and then I clamp this down here like this. And you kind of get the idea of how it acts as an insect barrier. It acts as a shade cloth, and it allows me to continue harvesting the lettuce, harvest, chop, and come again type harvesting. So I just wanted to take you along on me harvesting my lettuce, which it was ready to be harvested, and give you some tips on how to grow lettuce during the summers, a cool season crop that can be healthy, safe from the critters, and it keeps from bolting because the shelter is acting as a shade cloth, and it's growing during the summer months. So thank you for watching. Leave your comments below if you have some tips you'd like to offer on how to grow lettuce during the hot summer months, and I look forward to seeing them. Thank you for watching.